Well, hello again. I'm back messing around with this old Dodge. You know, after you own a car for a little bit, you start seeing certain things on it and you wonder what they are. And on this car, it had these 3 little holes right here in the door. And I was like, well, I don't know what that is. And then I started scrutinizing the old pictures. And sure enough, it's a horn. So that led me to eBay, where I bought this. It's a Klaxon Auga horn, I guess. And you see the pattern? Look at that pattern. You put it in place, and it matches up perfectly. So, I'm going to put this horn back where it belongs, its rightful place. Bring it back after it's on. Well, there it is, Klaxon. In case you were wondering what it looks like in here, I think that might be the original door panel. All right, let me get this thing bolted back down. We'll see if it makes any noise. I don't know if it comes across on camera, but that thing is pretty loud. Now I don't have to wonder what those 3 holes are for. I know definitively. This car has a lot of horns on it. All right, thanks for watching.